Sorry.
Every inch of me is trembling.
What have you done, Samantha? What have you done? What did you do to my laptop? Tell me what happened. Samantha, you tell me what happened. Why did you kick the laptop? Huh? What happened to the laptop? Why don't you talk to me?
Talk to mommy.
What happened to the laptop? Samantha, what happened to the laptop?
Be,
Can you talk to me?
ina nga.
Samantha.
Ang bata putang blagatas. Bibi, palikod ka na
Can you
habol,
talk to
bibi.
me?
Habol na sa kanyang panbi. Sa,
What did you do? Huh? Shh. You talk to me, please. Huh? Can you tell me? Huh? Did you say sorry to ate? Huh?
I kick the laptop down.
What did you do? Huh? Did she spoil the laptop? Huh? Or you? You spoiled this one? What did you do? What did you do? What happened? Okay. Yeah, what did you do? Why? Did you kick the laptop? Accidentally or what? And then, after that,